Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. Today I'm doing a steering lock on a Porsche 986 Boxster. Today I want to show you, this is the old one. This is the old lock. It's a brand new one here. See, the brand new one comes with a new switch as well. Brand new switch at the back. I tried the switch on this one here. Tried a new switch on this one here, and it's not the switch, it's actually the actual lock. It doesn't return properly, it's just dragging inside the actual, the lock doesn't really unlock properly, or you have to move the keys around to get it to unlock. But this is the brand new one. So usually when I do a lock change like this, I usually lubricate the cylinders on this side here, a little bit inside there and a little bit inside there before you put the key barrel in here. So to take the key barrel out, you got to turn the ignition key to position number 1. So you see the little hole there, little tiny hole there. Let me just point it out to you. Oh, it's hard to do, one hand. Alright, see the little tiny hole there? You got to turn the key, that's position 0 to 1, about there. Alright, that's to start it. So sort of 1 is about there somewhere. Ignition on, just ignition on. But you have to find the right way, the right one. So the little hole will line up with the actual little clip inside the barrel, like a C clip, and then you have to insert a little pin tool, like this one here, into the hole. So. And then once that little pin tool goes in the hole, it goes. Once the little tool goes, finds the right way, the little pinhole, and that will just slide in like that. And then when that slides in, the key barrel will come out from the actual cylinder, from the actual steering lock. Sorry. And then you just put it in, line it up again, and the actual inside the actual on the new one like that. Once you put it, make sure you put it in. There's a little lock there, two little lugs on the side there. So I'll show you what I mean. Two little hole there, that one there, and that one there, and this part here have to line up with your actual key barrel. So once that lines up, the lock will just fall straight in, and you take the key out, and well, that's it. The key must be in for you to actually. The key must be in here, turn into position 1, and put the little special tool that I made up. You can put a little pin, whatever you can, like a very strong one, not like a metal one, and that will pop the lock off, the barrels off the actual steering lock, and then you can transfer the actual barrel into the new steering lock, like this one. And then now, after that, then you have to put it in here, and then pretty much don't forget to put those. If you got a, that's for any automatic, that's the automatic cars like this. Alright, but the easiest way to do it, you got to take all this off. Take that cluster off, this side here off. I want to do another video of how to do the switch. The ignition switch is very easy, not that hard to do, but I'll show you before. What I noticed, someone's been here before, there's no screws holding a lot of stuff down, so I'm going to put new screws in. A lot of stuff here is not really routed properly, so I'm going to route it properly before I put everything back together for this customer. Alright? It's a bit of a challenging job, but it can be done. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.